My name's Katie Woodling. I'm the manager of product management at Bosch Home Comfort North America. My role is to develop the HVAC roadmap for North America. We're focused on high efficiency heat pump technology. We're really pushing the topic of electrification, so switching from heating your home with gas to heating your home with electricity. Outside of work, I love to go hiking. I love to be outside with my husband, my daughter, and my two crazy dogs. We like to ski, snowboard, mountain bike, play soccer, basketball, just anything outside. We love to be together and outdoors. When I was choosing my career, this topic of how can I make a difference in terms of sustainability and my global footprint definitely was one of the deciding factors. Environmental sustainability is really one of my core passions. What excites me about Bosch is it's a huge global company with a lot of different opportunities and resources. I love that they're focused on net zero and environmental sustainability, and they're really empowering us as associates to develop carbon neutral products in our roadmaps going forward.